I have here a bundle of branches which makes a lot of good firewood, but it all has to go. I begin by stacking them at the side of the street near the driveway. So that entire bundle was moved from here to here where it's ready to go. With that little pile standing there, it's necessary to add some paper balls. Yep, after the stage was set, one spark and it all went. A second trial with another batch of limbs, gasoline impregnated flame. This is a hard fire to keep alive. This is about the fourth time I've started it, but I'm getting some things burnt out. Yeah, that was a much hotter flame. I could feel it from 10 feet away. At least that one burnt down to this level. I still have all this hardwood remaining. It has finally dimmed down to this. The last remnants of twigs have been added. Still have some of this remaining. So it's now gone, and there is the last of the wood. It'll go. So this is what it has boiled down to. Some ashes. But let's see if it's still alive. This thermometer can tell temperatures. So it's 718 degrees and smoldering. I used the rake to pull all the unburnt material into the center again, so they will start burning again. So where there's smoke, there should be fire. And voila! The fire has finally appeared where there was smoke.